There's an antique dresser back there. I thought that was just a mirror. There's a big flat screen TV over there. But in this antique dresser, the first drawer I opened up, look, first drawer, first. I believe this is sterling. Oh, those are gems. Those are gems. Oh wow. This one here. Let's see if I can pick it up. It says 14K. It looks like white gold. Yeah. So we've got one gold ring and one sterling ring already. Look at this, what I believe to be a really nice decorative vintage wine rack. Is that a cello or needs to be cleaned up, but it's all there. Look at that. That is an amazing piece. That's so money. We have found another dresser. Extremely old. It's got a stool with brass legs. Might have a date on it. It's got some, maybe it'll show up better later. Let's see if I can read it later. I can't read it back here right now. More furniture with oh, an ottoman, a love seat. All these are leather. Got the leather couch over there. Now it's a 3-piece set. Flat screen. This is a big armoire that sits on top of this. This is all one piece of furniture. It's a giant armoire. And oh my God, look at this. Oh wow, more Xbox. There's an Xbox in here as well. And a PS2 and some games. And an Xbox. And another system down there. We just scored again. It's gonna be, we're gonna score left and frickin' right in this. Look at that. Look at that. This is the system I played with my kids. I had the NES 001 game before that. I don't play a lot now, but I tell you what, these are money. Eek the Cat Super Nintendo. Oh wow, this drawer here, a bunch of coins down there. I can't even really get Halo 2 Xbox. Oh, this is a great drawer here. What else we got? Pirates of the Caribbean, Dead Man's Chest. All right. Halo 2. Alright, got the game box. Sorry. Alright. We found gold. Gaming systems. I haven't found a lot of gold, but I haven't even got in here yet. Look at all this. That drawer there's a good one. Alright. Oh my God, another system? Oh yeah, more game systems. Oh my God, that's another Xbox, original Xbox. Oh, game controllers. A PS2. Oh my God. There's at least 4 gaming systems in here. Look at that. I think that's an original Xbox. Oh my God. What a score this is. Can't even really get in here right now. Oh my God. That is completely awesome. It just keeps getting better. The more I get in here, the more money I'm finding. This old dresser. That'll wipe off. That's great. These are the same Here's the other piece. It's a whole antique set. Oh my Lord. Oh my God. There's money in there. Nope. A pass. Didn't say what year. Found a gold ring in the top drawer. These are the same. Oh, that's not real. All right, you can tell that one's not real. Okay, well, 2 out of 4 are real. That's pretty good. What else we got in this drawer? Look at that old thing. Wow. I bet that's got some value. Oh boy. Yeah, this unit's gonna be good. It's a wrestling championship medal. Kentucky State champion. What am I going to try? I can't get these other drawers open unless I can push this down. Okay, what I'm going to attempt to show you here, I'll get to the good things here in a second, but this, that I found all the game systems and games in, this is an armoire that goes on top of these drawers. So that's a big armoire. That's a couple $100 in itself. But what I found, I got this really old coat tree. All right. Now, I showed you the Spartan head thing. We've got paintball guns. A Spider Victor 2, a Spider tournament level paintball gun. We got the hoppers. We got Tippmann 98 custom. We got 3 cans full of CO2. My favorite, the game that I played last was Super Nintendo. I played this with my kids. I also had played NES 001, the one before that. And we got these Xbox games. I got an Xbox, an Xbox 360, a PS2, and a Super Nintendo. All the hookups, 3 paintball guns, CO2, paintball hoppers. Just to show you. I'm trying to show you guys this as I find it. We've got this really nice Daisy BB gun. Alright. So it doesn't bounce back and hit. I want to shoot my eye out. Alright. Victoria's Secret box. Oh shit, got the safety on. Oh, went right in. Oh, it went all the way through. So, day 2. I'm not going to be able to get anything but the game systems, that extremely old wine rack. A gold band. A stink bug. And a sterling band, a gold band, a stink bug, 4 gaming systems, a BB gun, 3 paintball guns, an antique coat tree. But what I found back there that I didn't know I had yesterday is an antique dresser. I can't even get to the drawers on the left side, and I found a gold ring and a sterling ring on the right drawer. So it's raining. I can't really drag anything out here except the grill, which I'm going to push it back in. I'm going to take home the items that are in the back of the van today. This is how the baby boomers do YouTube. When you get 65 years old like me, that's when you amp up your workouts. you get a little more height on your ability to jump. You want to be able to get off the ground farther at 65 than you did at 40. That's one goal that I've been able to accomplish. I've gained a few inches on my vertical since I was 40. I'm 65. So my point here is, when you retire from your crappy job or your good job, and you want to work for yourself and do things at your own pace, I'm going to show you the most fun way you can do it. And some of you guys will love it, and some of you guys will not like it, because you can't please everybody all the time. And I don't think it's possible to please everybody all the time. So what I'm doing is pleasing myself. Wasn't there a song about that? I'm not going to try to sing it. I'll butcher it. But anyway, guys, day 2. I'm just making this one run out here today. I'm not bringing home any really heavy items today because I don't want to mess any of this stuff up. This is good stuff. This is really good stuff. Just to find in the drawer of the Onwar. I didn't even know I had an Onwar yesterday. I thought that was a media center on top of a short little dresser. But no, that's all one unit. This unit's going to be worth thousands, I think. I really do. So, look, I'm only 50 subs away from 2K. And once I get to 2K, I'm going to do the Toe of Satan challenge. Because I have to save mankind from evil. So that's my way of symbolically doing it. I will take all the slings and arrows. You guys don't have to eat any hot peppers if you don't want to. I'll do that part. And when I'm not doing this, you probably won't see as much of that. And so hit the like button down there. It helps these videos get distributed. And by all means, subscribe. Make sure you're still subscribed. Sometimes you get unsubscribed. It happens. And we'll come down here again tomorrow. Sometimes I fart. What can I say? Anyway, the like button, share the video to somebody who might enjoy it, and subscribe. That's all I ask. And we will see you very soon, because we're having so much fun. I want to share it. All right, shot of the van. We're going home. Dun, 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 dun. That's right. All the way home. Yeah, we're going home. This is how we roll, man. I don't have to get out in the rain and open the gate. He did it for me. It's our day.